खोलते हुए.
Start हुआ. Just got this parcel from Amazon. Let's see what we have.
When you get the parcel.
What?
When you get the parcel.
I can't get your accent, bro.
Okay. When you get the parcel.
Just right now, sir.
Okay, you got it right now.
Just right now.
We are unboxing it.
Yes, we are.
Okay.
Definitely.
So let's see what is inside. Obviously.
Oh my God! It's not. Okay, it has a purple color.
Purple color.
Film on it. I thought the washing machine was a purple color. And this is the cardboard.
Okay.
Not the cardboard, but the styrofoam.
Okay.
Okay, we'll keep the side. Okay, that's there. And we have to take it out. So how do we take it out? I guess it would be easier for me to put it like this and move it out. Yeah. How is it supposed to happen?
So the color might be gray, dark gray.
Yeah.
It's not exactly
this
black.
Is the color that I ordered. And here is the washing machine. We're testing it. And
What are you gonna test?
does it look like new?
Yes,
Does
yes.
it look like new? Make check everything. Yeah, it's new only, but I will check, inspect everything. Inspect it closely, and we have this, which is, I guess, it's washing powder, I guess, for top load washing machines, and we have got few packets of it.
Come here and check this. I think there's something wrong with this screw and yeah.
Okay, the screw. This is the screw. I guess this is a delivery problem, but
That's fine. That's negligible.
that can be managed. And that's what we are here for, that we are checking the product. And we got some faults, but we are okay with this, I guess. But we will have to inspect if the device works or not. And we have this lid, and lid also works as storage for the clothes to dry, I guess. There is a pipe. नहीं आप और इन कैमरा there is a pipe, and we just have to insert it and see whether this works properly or not. Okay. Was it everything? Is it everything we ordered? Looks like this. This is how the lid works. Yeah, this is how the lid works. And you just have to place it. Okay, and yeah, I guess we are going to check it now. 7.5 kgs, and we plug it in the power socket and turn it on. Did it make a sound, or was it your phone?
It was my phone.
Okay. Okay. Do not rotate. 15 minute heavy. The eco 5 minute delicate and 10 minutes normal. This is wash mode, this is drain mode, and this is do not rotate. This is, I guess, dryer. So let's start with dryer first. So I will just go on and move it.
Yeah, it's working.
It's working. It's working great. And just
Check the dryer.
have to check
The dryer.
dryer. And for that I have to.
Oh, that's not necessary. You have to on the dryer first.
Okay, then I'll on the dryer first and move it aside.
No, that's not how it's
Oh, yes.
working. You have to close that first.
I don't think so.
You have to close first.
Oh, it is necessary.
Yes. It's for safety.
Safety.
Yes, now you can on it. Yes, it's working.
It is working. So I guess we can.
If you're gonna open it without switching it off, it will gonna automatically off.
Damn.
Yes.
This is good. This is like good shit. Okay. See ya in next video. Thank you so much for watching. Like, share, and subscribe, I guess.
Have a good day. Listen to your videos. Pause it.